this is the perfect idea of what to do on a sea day. It's a little after 10 in the morning. We're gonna sit here on the pool deck and pool and wait for the sun to come out. There's one cloud in the sky and it's behind it, so we should be all right. It's probably a good 89 degrees today, maybe? Easy? I don't know. I don't have a watch. I don't have a way to tell time or temperature, or I don't even know what day it is, other than it's Easter. It's Easter, so that means it's a Sunday. So this is it. Not a bad vacation. What do you think? Good vacation. Good morning. We are beyond Alaska still. And today, oh, is that a dirty lens? I don't know. I can't tell. Well, today is a sea day. I think we have 2 days in a row of sea day. We have, I'm not too sure, 700 and some odd, maybe more nautical miles to get to our destination. 2 days at sea. The wind's on our stern, so it's a beautiful, perfectly calm morning. Okay. Gimbal's freaking out. I'm trying to make it do weird stuff. So we're on board for Easter. Look at all the Easter yummies.
Oh my god, look at these.
Mm-hmm.
The Easter chicken feet.
I don't know how I feel about the chicken feet.
I don't know either.
Yep. So it's Easter. We're having Easter brunch. We have mimosas right here on the back deck. La veranda. We're underway, so it's a little loud? I don't know. Louder than normal. Sea day. Playing cards on a sea day. On our way to, what's the first stop? Huahini?
Huahini, yeah, Huahini.
Huahini's the first stop. Let me start all our big excursions. Right? 4 stops, 4 excursions?
Yes.
Ooh, we're gonna be whooped. We got so close. We only got one away.
To the pool.
Okay.
Look at all these boats.
Oh my god!
Look at that one.
Terminator. Okay, let's go home. Let's go.
Yep. I don't plan on winning.
Wow.
Hysterical. So did they just come around and take the boat?
I have no idea.
So this is a surprise.
We're just along for the ride.
So is it you? You did it.
The project from 1997 done in Atlantic de Chantilly, French, in France. In the name of the town is Saint-Nazar. And after 20 years, just now it's coming in the water.
Yay!
Wow, very good. Donc c'est un bateau, ça fait 21 ans qu'il a été construit. Il a été construit sur, sur le chantier naval de Saint-Nazaire en France et à présent il est dans l'eau. From now he's in the water. Thank you very much, Captain. So now we can officially, before we officially start, we have a tradition. Every time we have a ship building, it's you guys, be ready please for the haka dance. This is a special lesson.
Oh, that's got to be hot standing up there.
Are you ready? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. Oh.
Yeah!
Allons-y. Ok. Okay. Let's see.
Since we are in Tahiti, we all agree that Tahitian one share.
Yay!
Et ça finit Tahiti! Félicitations! Congratulations! Thank you very much.
This is how we wake up in the morning. Welcome to a great day at sea. We figured out the coffee situation. Their coffee's kind of strong on board. That's okay. We're good with that. But now we just order cappuccinos. It's kind of like cheating with your coffee. Good morning. Breakfast at sea. Blueberry pancakes. Lots of bacon.
I can't believe they do all the pastries on board.
Yeah.
All the pastries, all the breads. Amazing.
I think Robin's gonna order an omelet. Yummy,
Yep.
yummy.
I don't know why I look at La and think La Veranda every time.
Well, look at this
Oh, I
beautiful setting tonight.
look at this. This is what I got. I got the duck
Uh-huh.
and the duck confit and the frog roll.
Yum. Oh boy. Mussels. That is so good.
What is that?
I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. Well, the mussels are fantastic. Good thing someone got a picture over here. This is what it looked like before we ate it. Look at that. I didn't want to wait long enough to grab a camera, so. Well, since I didn't get dinner, at least I'll get dessert. Look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Beautiful.
You gotta taste this.
Sorbet with
As
vodka.
good as yours looks, mine's better.
Wow.
I told you.
That's amazing. Yep.
What is this?
I don't know. It said chocolate on it, so I got it.
Said I almost died a week ago. I lost my will. I thought I let you know. The countryside, the water, so I wait up here. I just let it know.
There's much. Boy, that current's really
Wait along the corridor. Some would say they've seen me here before. Do we need to go this far? We do know who we are. Can we make this even better? Somewhere close about. Ooh. changed, but it feels like we stay the same. Every time you look at me, I'm heating up at least a third.